fuel. Alright, place your bets, everyone. Here we go. This is Texas GT3. Alright, we have TC override on, so we won't be starting with traction control. Fuel, we'll put, I'm just going to do like 9 gallons for now. I'm guessing we'll use that much. No tear off. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. 45 minutes of this. Here we go.
Green, green, green.
Traction control on. Oh, shit. Nope, nope. Dang it. Forgot there was a turn there. Whoops. Okay. Drop week. This is a drop week, guys.
Very well, my kid race.
I was so excited. I got such a good start. I was like, yes, 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 yes. Alright, this is just a recovery race from now on. Oh, I'm in 3rd gear. Great start.
Take the inside, Carlos.
Duh. Failure, yes. Alright, I don't think we have damage. At least I hope we don't. Please.
Sorry, Jason.
Alright, we're already catching them. That's from all the... No, you mean Kamui Kobayashi. Never mind. But yes, Maldonado approves. I mean, I didn't retire, so I don't think he really would approve it. I don't think it would pass the audition phase. Oh.
Clear on the left.
I think JD just turned it on me there. Huh. Maybe he was just getting loose, and I saved him from dying.
That's right, Mark. That's right.
Alright, let's see if we can't pass Nick here. Why am I going around the outside? This is a terrible idea. Oh, never mind. He gave me the position. It's cool.
Thanks, Alan.
Well, we're definitely not getting the least amount of incidents in the race. Or 0x for that matter. What happened? I broke too late into turn 1. I mean, I didn't really even brake at all. I was so excited because I got such a good start without traction control. That I just went into the grass and I was like, oh shit, okay, let's just keep it together, Jesper. And then I spun. Luckily, no one hit me there. Otherwise, if someone hit me, I probably would have been the end of my race. Okay, Zach, I'll do my best. Oh, yellow flag. That's a BMW. Oh shit, that was Clark. The first part of the season doesn't really matter. As long as you have a few good results. As long as I make it to the showdown, that's all that matters. The showdown, 1983. Because the last 3 races are like what really decide the championship. And they're all very McLaren. They're all very good tracks for the McLaren, I think. I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's actually on the website. ! Texas. If you want to check. I don't know. I don't know if you want to. Fast Guys dyed it. Yeah, Clark dyed it last race too. I think you get 2 drop weeks. Or is it 1? I don't remember. It doesn't matter. Let's just finish out this race. See if we can make anything happen. Did a 24, that's not bad. It's pretty good for race pace. Just unfortunate that I wasn't. Can't believe I did that. What tracks? I don't remember, but one of them's Coda. But the BMW is probably faster there. Whoa, death. Why is there no yellow flag? Should be a yellow flag, come on. Oh no. Death. No, 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 no. Okay, we're good. That was scary. Oh, shenanigans. Yes, please. Are you really racing me, dude? Have you just punted that guy? Oh well. Probably gonna have to be low on straight line speed. That was pretty awful. Let's try to pass John here. See if we can pass him before.
Car on your left, clear, left side. Clear.
Cool. Nope, don't hit the curb. Alright, we're pitting in 15 laps. Which is, what, 15 plus 7 minus 1? Lap 21 will be pitting. End of lap 21.
Scott, I don't know if you're on TeamSpeak, but I said sorry there.
Oh, it wasn't you, man. That was completely me. I screwed up the first turn and screwed up the second turn.
I screwed up the first turn, screwed up the second turn. Do 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 do. I screwed up the first turn and screwed up the second turn. Oh, country music. I screwed up the first turn, I screwed up the second turn.
Whoa, that freaked me out. Sorry, I'm good.
Kyle's actually pretty quick. But he's got that damage from punting that rough. So, I don't know. Oh, off track. Oh well. Hey, Tokyo. Yep. It's a league. It's not the official series, even though the official series is running Brands Hatch at this week, I believe. Huh. Bethesda has a knack for doing that, Murphy. How you doing, man, by the way?
Alright, I'm good. You can quit playing with me now.
I updated my timing. I updated to the most recent timing.
Good luck.
I'm 99% sure I updated to the recent timing, unless I clicked the wrong EXE. I'm pretty sure I got the right one though. Yes, Dustin, I did. Woo! Nax, thanks for the follow, man. You might be like, whoa, how'd you not read it? Well, it's because I read it beforehand and there's a delay on the notification. And then I was like, alright, when you hear that sound, Jesper, say the magic words. Good, you did good. So it's all good, okay, right? It's good? I didn't mess up? Cool. Kappa. Here. Oh, understeer, please. Pitting in. Oh, no, we'll put in 10 laps, so. End of lap 20. We'll do end of lap 20. I'm not gonna cut it that close. I mean, I could make it. I know for a fact that I could. I'm not gonna take that 0.1% chance that we will start to sputter on pit entry. Dang it, that was just awful. What was that? The hell was that, boy? If you catch Gaggle, pit. I don't think I'll catch that Gaggle. Alright, so according to Kutu, we only need 8 gallons. We'll take a click extra of whatever that is. In case I get clean air the whole way. Alright, see you, Murphy.
That's right up here, Jeff.
Really close to me? Nah. It's at a comfortable position where my elbows are bent. I don't know if you've ever watched a real racing driver, but it's in a comfortable position where you don't have to strain to reach it. Although, then again, a professional racing driver doesn't sit upright in a desk chair. I mean, this isn't even a desk chair. This is barely a chair.
Mike, you and I keep this up, we ain't gonna have nothing left in about 10 laps.
Alright, yeah, we're pitting at the end of lap 20. Is our target. Pro racing drivers don't sit in kitchens. Those who don't have personal chefs, they do. They probably learn how to cook and make themselves a healthy meal, you know? I mean, they're probably not sitting in the kitchen, but they're standing, moving around, being like, shit, gotta chop the vegetables. Alright, now we gotta saute the onions. Oh shit, I'm out of coconut oil. Hello, butler, would you please get the coconut oil? Actually, never mind, if he has a butler, he probably does have a personal chef. Or, hey, yo, girlfriend. Yo, take that sexy ass over to that grocery store and get me some olive oil. And some, like, canola oil. So I can saute these onions. Make a nice little salad. With the, olive oil. Make myself some vinaigrette. Off track. Because racing drivers eat salads. I haven't done it yet. I'll do it tomorrow. Or maybe tonight even. Maybe. Actually, you know what? I'll do it tonight. I think that's... Tomorrow I might not have the time. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna do it tonight. Because I don't know if I'll have the time to do it tomorrow. It's to be... Alright. That'd be great. Probably should have turned the fan on as well. Words. Frames, please. This is like that new shitty rally game where it says it's doing like 80 FPS, but you're getting major stuttering. Come on, iRacing, get above that level. You're better than that. Alright, break earlier, Jesper. That was awful. Alright, fuel. We'll take 8.2. Yeah. we're good. We're good. Damn, the steering is really, like, responsive. I love it. I mean, that was very nearly an overcorrection. But we're good. We're still alive. Watch it! Heck, I bet if I practice more, I could take that turn in third gear. Because I'm really shifting early out of second. And I doubt it. Oh, we got Mike getting loose. Tires are smoking. Alright, end of lap 20, Jesper. No, didn't hit the GURP. Alright, we're good. Sonny must have put it in front of me. Because we're in 6th now. Unless they dyed it. Oh, slow down way too early. Catching Mike, though. I think we'll hang out behind him. We'll save a little fuel in case we get a bunch of clean air for our last stint. If you would even call it a stint, but just the last quarter of the race or whatever. Last third. The second part of the race. The part after the pit stop. Not very good there either. Piggy Baggy, thanks for the follow. He's got so much baggage that he's got to leave an underscore at the end of his username for that extra storage space. Gotta have that extra storage space. Mike, please. Yes, I do like them, Zach. They're very good. I didn't really look at the set very much beforehand, so I definitely could have put on more rake.
Car on your left. Clear.
Oh, Scout's having issues. End of lap 20, Jesper. End of lap 20. Alright, pit entry is there. You got it, Nathan.
Same if you don't let me ask.
Also, how you doing, man?
Should take.
Please. I mean, I could probably take 8 gallons, but we're just gonna play it safe. Do 8.2. Should I pit? Yeah, let's pit now. Unless he pits. If he pits... Let's go, go, go!
Car right.
Yeah, we're not pitting.
Clear on the right.
Alright, we might as well run out this tank. End of lap 20 is when we're pitting. Since we got clean air. Don't hit the curb. Why would you hit the curb? I'm Jed in the lead by a whopping 37 seconds. That's... So, I don't know where we're going to come out once we pit. Could literally be anything, anywhere. I mean, hopefully top 5, but I doubt it. Jaws theme. Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-da. Da-dun. Da-dun. Da-dun dun 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 dun. Nope, that's wrong. Na-na-na-na. 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 Nope. Alright, okay, we're pitting. Dang it! Nope, don't hit Sam. Alright, go, go, go. Shit! Yeah, don't swear like that. Yeah! Macho Man Randy Savage, here we go. Alright. Half of the band? You mean orchestra? I spun twice in this race. Oh dear. TC override. Go, 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 go. 44 seconds of optionals. Let's do it. Let's hope we're okay. Should have locked up the brakes when I spun. Why didn't I do it? I thought I could do a J-turn. I thought I could be all fancy and whatnot, but dang it. Probably fried my tires too. Oh well, we'll have to work for the top 5 now. Also, there aren't that many laps left anyway. I could have actually come out in a decent position had I not spun. He pulled a W. Anderson. What's that? Who's that? I don't even know who that is. Is that somebody I should know? Pass, please. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Car on your left. Clear.
Oh, we still got to pass Kyle, damn. Hopefully I can catch him. Yeah, top 5 is unlikely. I think it would have been possible had I not spun, but Mark's too fast, I think. No big deal. Something crazy will have to happen for Zach to win his bets. See you, Meister Chief. Oh! Smoke! No yellow flag, though. Somebody blew their engine. There's something. Something's going on. Oh, Mark's... Oh, Mark got a blown engine! Shit, why did I spin? Dang it. Why was I singing the Jaws theme? Top 5 could have been possible. It still could be. Still possible. Believe, Jesper. Anything is possible. 6 seconds isn't too much of a gap. We can make that up. Especially if Scott and Kyle battle. Let's hope they battle in there. That would be good for us. Although Kyle is about my pace, I think. It seems. Even with damage. Although, now I have more damage. There's no reason not to push. I'm sure this will just be a drop week anyway. We'll just... We're going hardcore mode, ladies and gentlemen. Turn off traction, just kidding. Not gonna do that. ABS off. Superhuman braking on. Oh, superhuman braking. Oh, it's my power. No one can defeat my braking. Ren199, thanks for the follow, man. He break with the McLaren. No, how could we do that? Throttle control mode. Nah. No, how? Not a possible. Not possible! Yes, it is possible. No! Sugoi! Sugoi desu ne! Ah! He has a 7th gear! Activate 7th gear. They're anime powers, Matt. Gosh. There's a big difference, bro. Why did I just call you bro? Yeah, I'm slower with the damage. Hello, Escape to Reality. Hello, sir. Team Pancake Syrup, how you doing, man? Even though you've been in chat in a while, and never mind how you do. My wrists would probably be broken would I be using an OSW or an AccuForce or something like that? A direct drive wheel. Konnichiwa, Yasperani-san. Dozo yoroshiku. I don't even know what that means, except for konnichiwa. I just like reading it in a very anime-like voice. Gotta love that anime, man. Gotta love them unrealistic boob physics. Oh yeah, and Cindry, I didn't really die at turn 1, but I didn't do good. And also I pitted, so I didn't really lose positions, I don't think. Come on. I think it's too late for them to start battling and for me to catch them, but just come on, you two. Start battling in there. Battle in there, please. Battle. Oh, death. Kyle, please spin. Please spin, Kyle. I want top 5. So desu. Genki desu. Anata wa? Watashi wa George Bates. Tokyo GWV. I can't help but doing it in like an anime voice. I can't think of speaking Japanese in anything other than that. Gosh. Or like just a ridiculous like Japanese commercial voice. Like, oh, Tommy Lee Jones. Also an excellent commercial. Would buy that product or whatever they're selling there. I forget what it is they're selling, but Tommy Lee Jones is in it. I think it's like a beverage of some sort, I believe. Come on, somebody else in the top 5 dive. Please. Ah, why did I have to die? I'd be top 5 right now. I think Kyle's faster than me. I have not watched One Piece. It's no, it doesn't seem like something. There are too many episodes. I'm just like, no. My life would be over. I would never stream again if I started watching One Piece. So I don't want to take that chance that I like it, and then I'll even watch the shitty episodes where they're just extending it further. Because it's 700 episodes, I think. Something like that. One I would recommend, one you might understand I like, is Shokugeki no Soma. The English title is Food Wars, and it's pretty awesome. Probably my favorite anime. There's a little bit of fan service, but whatever, in the first few episodes. It's good, though. I like it. And yes, it goes on forever. It's like The Simpsons of Japan. Oh yes, Attack on Titan. Dun, 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 dun. Even if you don't like anime, watch Attack on Titan. It's very good. It's good drama.
You have about 2 laps of fuel left.
White flag, please. No, we'll do we'll do one more lap after this. So I've got enough fuel. Cool. I actually have a half a lap in hand. But I definitely didn't want to take that chance sputtering out just before the start-finish line, rather. Please. My eyes were turned like way over there, like attempting to turn, but then I just like didn't let go of the brake pedal. I don't know why. Oh, Zach's going to a party? He's got friends? What? Just kidding, I don't have any friends. White flag. Alright, I'm mute chat.
Okay.
Dang.